Hello friends, welcome to the dream world. Today we are going to discuss about the dreams related to snakes, be it just seeing or chasing them or being chased by them or various situations associated with snakes. So let's start. Seeing a snake in a dream is not a very common dream. So whenever these dreams do occur, they want to tell you certain things. In general, snake dreams are demonic, occult symbolisms. They symbolize enmity, difficult situations. Sometimes they also mean spirituality. If you simply see a snake in a dream, it normally means you have some enemy. If you see a snake in your house regularly, then it means someone within the family is not your friend. If you see you are killing or have killed the snake, it means you will be victorious against your enemy. If you see you are catching a snake, then it indicates you will have a brawl with your enemy, but you will have the upper hand. If you see you are chased by a snake, then it normally interprets as some health issues, some disease on the way. If you see snake is biting you, then it is not a very good dream. It warns you that enemy may harm you, so you have to be very cautious. However, if you are suffering from some illness and you see this dream, then it turns out to be a good dream as it indicates that you will be cured very soon. If you see many snakes in a dream, then normally it denotes to bad luck, hardship, tough times. So you have to be extra cautious, vigilant, and put in more efforts to succeed. If you see you are cutting a snake into two, then it indicates the justice would be done between you and your enemy. If you dream you are eating a snake, then it is a good dream. It means you will be victorious over your enemy and you will gain some wealth from him. It may be in any form, like you are winning a lawsuit against someone. If you see a dead snake in your dream, that it indicates some hurdles have been removed from your path, so it is a good dream. If you see snake is obeying you or following your commands, then it is a wonderful dream. It means very soon you are going to get a higher rank. It could be a promotion or recognition in the society. If you see a white colored snake, then it indicates you have got an enemy who is very strong and tough. So be cautious. If you see a green colored snake, then normally it means some wealth is going to come on your way. If you see a snake who is scared, then don't worry. It means you have got an enemy, but he is very weak. So probably he won't be in a position to cause you any harm. If you see a snake on your bed, then it indicates something between you and your partner is seriously wrong. So it wants you to pay attention and resolve the issues. Friends, we always try to give you the most authentic information about dreams in short videos. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Remember, it's free and you can always change your mind later. See you in the next video. Take care.